Just got these NORTIV boots. They're pretty lightweight. Some folks complained about the not enough support at the ankle here. I kind of like that it's malleable canvas top, so when it gets wet it can form to your ankle, which I like that idea. It's light, looks well constructed. The only thing I don't like about it is the ridges sticking out, these edges. I don't like the concept. It's a trip hazard. I work as a postal man, going up and down sidewalks and curbs and people's steps, and this is something to catch on. I don't need it. So I like them enough. I'm gonna cut these ridges off and sand them down and round them out, because I need more rounded out. I don't like that chunky grip. It's a trip hazard for me, and the front is nice.
Yeah, I asked my boss, I said, yo, when am I going on my vacation? I need to know, right? Like, if the request that I put in for August got, like, if you accepted it, then he said, oh, your vacation is in October, right? What do you mean October? It's not